Hi there everyone. We are going to learn calculus and Laplace transforms in the matrices unit. Subject code is 18MA202. Topics covered characteristic equations, eigenvalues. Matrices. We are going to see characteristic equation. Let A be the given square matrix and lambda be the scalar. First compute determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, where I is the unit matrix. Determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0 is called as characteristic equation of matrix A. How to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Solve the characteristic equation. Values of lambda are called eigenvalues or latent values of A. For each eigenvalue, find the corresponding eigenvectors capital X which satisfies the equation determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. We will see now problem 1. Find the characteristic equation of the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 2. So the characteristic equation formula is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Now take a determinant A matrix minus lambda I. When you simplify, we get 1 minus lambda, 2, 0, 2 minus lambda. Cross multiply, take a determinant, we get 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. So on simplification, finally we get characteristic equation is lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. We will see now problem 2. Find the eigenvalues of the given matrix A is equal to 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Now, to find the eigenvalues, we need to find the characteristic equation. So, here it was given 2 cross 2 matrix. So, for 2 cross 2 matrix, we have a formula that is, instead of using determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0, we can use lambda square minus d1 lambda plus d2 equal to 0, where d1 is nothing but the sum of diagonal elements. d2 is determinant of A. So d1 on calculating, add the diagonal elements, we will get 2. d2 is determinant of A, which is 2. Now substituting in the given formula, that is d1 is 2, d2 is 2, we get lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 2 equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. Now this is a quadratic equation. It can be solved by sum and product, but this is not solvable. So we have to use lambda is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here the coefficient of lambda square is a, that is 1, and lambda coefficient of lambda is b, that is minus 2, and constant term is c. After finding all three values, substitute in lambda formula. Finally we get 2 plus or minus 2 into I by 2. On cancelling 2 we get 1 plus or minus I. So the eigenvalues are 1 plus I and 1 minus I. So here the characteristic equation is lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 2 equal to 0, and eigenvalues are 1 plus I and 1 minus I. Now we will see problem 3. Find the characteristic equation of the matrix A is equal to 6, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Now, to obtain the characteristic equation for 3 cross 3 matrix, we can use lambda cube minus d1 lambda square plus d2 lambda minus d3 equal to 0, where d1 is sum of main diagonal elements, d2 is sum of minus of main diagonal elements, and d3 is determinant of A. Now we will find out what is d1. d1 is sum of main diagonal elements, that is 6, 3 and 3. On adding the diagonal elements, we will get 12. Then d2, the sum of minus of main diagonal elements, that is here the diagonal elements for 6, what is the minor? 3, minus 1, minus 1, 3. Then for the middle element 3, 6, 2, 2, 3 is the minor. Then 3, for 3 we have to take 6 minus 2 minus 2 3. So here on substituting, we have written all the values, take a cross multiplication. Finally on simplification we get it is 36. D3, that is equal to determinant A. Take the determinant of the given matrix. Now determinant, I think it is 6 into 3 3s are 9 minus 1 plus 2 into cross multiply, you will get 32. So that is your D3. Now substituting D1, D2, D3 in the formula. This formula, lambda cube minus d1 lambda square plus d2 lambda minus d3 equal to 0. We get the characteristic equation lambda cube minus 12 lambda square plus 36 lambda minus 32 equal to 0. Now we want to find out the eigenvalues. So we want to check what is the root. Here when I substitute, I can start from 1. So if I substitute 1 here, I will get not equal to 0. Now on taking lambda equal to 2, on substituting I am getting 0. That means lambda equal to 2 is a root of this equation. So by taking lambda equal to 2, when we calculate by synthetic division, we will get the remainder lambda square minus 10 lambda plus 16 equal to 0. Already you got one root. Now this is a quadratic equation. Here we can solving by sum and product or minus b formula. We will get the solution 8 or 2. Now in total we have 3 eigenvalues for the 3 cross 3 matrix. So lambda values are first 2, then 8 and 2. So lambda is equal to 8, 2, 2. Now we will see problem 4. Compute the characteristic roots of the matrix. So here I want to find out the characteristic roots. Characteristic roots can be calculated from characteristic equation. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we apply lambda cube minus d1 lambda square plus d2 lambda minus d3 equal to 0. Now for the given matrix, calculate d1, that is minus 2 plus 1 plus 0, which is minus 1. d2 is the sum of minus of diagonal elements, we get minus 21. d3 is determinant of A, we are getting 45. Substituting all three values in the given equation, we get lambda cube plus lambda square minus 21 lambda minus 45 equal to 0. Now this can be solved by synthetic division. So on substituting lambda equal to 5, you can check which is equal to 0. Therefore lambda equal to 5 is a root of this equation. So apply by taking lambda equal to 5 and do the synthetic division, get the remainder. The remainder will be lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 9 equal to 0. Now by this is a quadratic equation. On solving we get the roots minus 3 minus 3. The eigenvalues are 5, minus 3 and minus 3. So let us recall, we have studied first how to form characteristic equation, that is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Now this is for 2 cross 2 matrix, and for 3 cross 3 matrix you can apply. Then we have used another two equations, that is for 2 cross 2 matrix, lambda square minus s1 lambda plus s2 equal to 0. For 3 cross 3 matrix, we have taken lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. Using these two formulas, we have found the characteristic equation. Then we got eigenvalues by using synthetic division and quadratic equation. Thank you, students.